Okay. So, if you don't, it's the Chill Channel. If you don't follow me, make sure you click that like button or subscribe button. And yesterday I told you about my Bobcat. And my Bobcat has blown its engine. And today we're going to try to drive it. And hopefully it'll work. And thanks for watching, I guess. And okay. I have the battery right there. No, it's not on. Oh wow, the smoke. Look at all that smoke. Whoa, you see that? Smoking. Look at this. Nothing. Yeah. Did it turn off or something? Gets very hot very quick. Yeah, I think we lost her. She's not doing anything now. It was going. It should go. Yeah, she's not doing anything now. But she had a good run, you know? It's good. Shoot. Yeah, she's not running anymore. It's not going. Nope, 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 nope. Alright. So is that even frozen anymore? Let's begs the question. Yeah, that's frozen. Alright. So I'll be right back. And I have a special surprise for you guys today.